Hi there, and thank you for choosing Repipe Specialists. We're proud you've entrusted us with your whole home repipe, and we're here to make the process simple, fast, and stress-free. With over 30 years of experience and more than 75,000 homes repiped, we've fine-tuned our one-stop repipe process, handling every step from permits to patching so you don't have to juggle multiple contractors or timelines. Here's what you can expect and how to prepare so everything goes smoothly. Installation. Your installation team will text you ahead of time to confirm your repipe start time. You can also reach out to your field service manager to confirm or to ask any questions beforehand. On installation day, the team will arrive in the morning and start with a walkthrough, so you know what to expect. You'll need to be home for this walkthrough, plus answer any questions if they pop up from the crew. Here's how you can help us hit the ground running. Clear out under sinks and around plumbing fixtures. Please remove items beneath the kitchen and the bathroom sinks, and clear out closets or walls behind sinks or tubs or showers. Ensure we have access to your water heater and your main shut-off valve. These are typically in the garage or the utility area. Just make sure they're unlocked and easy to reach. Secure pets and valuables. Our team will be moving throughout your home, so for your safety and peace of mind, please keep all the pets in a separate area and store any valuables or fragile items out of the active zones. Plan for a brief water shutoff. Water will be temporarily turned off during installation, but don't worry, it'll be turned back on the same day unless specific arrangements have been made with you otherwise. What to expect when we start. First, we'll lay out plastic and floor coverings to capture as much dust as possible as we work. While we try to prevent dust from escaping, it would be best if you removed anything from the active zone that you don't want to be impacted, just to be safe. We'll need to make small, precise cuts in your drywall to install the new piping, usually behind sinks, in closets, or near fixtures. Once the holes are cut, the crew will start installing your new pipes. They'll need supplies and space to work, and there will be some power tools involved too. At the end of the day, we'll do a walkthrough and show you what has been completed and tested. Once everything has been completed to your satisfaction, you'll sign off on the closing checklist. Please feel free to ask any questions during this walkthrough or at any time before as well. Inspection. If your city or county requires an inspection, we'll coordinate directly with them and ensure everything meets local building code. We'll let you know the timing so you can arrange to be present, but in some cities, it's preferred that the homeowner request the inspection, so we'll let you know if this is the case. Drywall. After your home inspection is approved, we return to professionally patch the drywall, leaving a paint-ready surface. If you didn't include drywall in your contract, you can always reach out and add it back on. Fast, clean, and respectful. The plumbing portion of most full home repipes are completed in just 1 to 2 days, with the city inspection and drywall repair to follow after that. Our crews are efficient, careful, and treat your home as if it were their own. Every repipe is backed by our lifetime workmanship warranty. We're excited to get started and deliver a seamless repipe experience from start to finish. If you have any questions, concerns, or just want to talk through the next steps, our customer success team is here for you every step of the way to make sure your project is seamless and stress-free. Thanks again for choosing Repipe Specialists. Let's get your home repiped and your plumbing worries behind you.